Hi everybody, this is CR4 number 3 helper video. So we're doing problem number 3 right now. This is an example that should hopefully help you. First thing I want you to remember is that whatever is on the outside of the parentheses is going to have to be distributed to everything inside the parentheses. What does distribution mean? It means multiplication. So the first thing I'm going to do is take that -4, I'm going to multiply it by a +10. And a negative times a positive is a negative. 4 times 10 is 40. Then I'm going to go ahead and multiply -4 times -6x. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive, and 4 times 6x is 24x. You might be asking yourself, can I combine these terms? You can't, because they are not like terms. This one has an x value. This one is a constant of -40. So this is your final simplified answer.